A few days ago, I was searching for a planner and look what I found. The moment I saw it, I couldn't stop myself from buying it. The most prettiest planner ever. So inside the box we have lot of things. Inside it comes with two pocket notebooks, perfect for quick thoughts and tiny ideas. Then comes four sweet greeting cards to share warmth with people I love. A gentle notepad for everyday lists, tea time ideas, and cozy plans. And journaling prompt cards that feel like gentle reminders to love, to feel, to bloom. And everything tucks neatly into the most adorable canvas pouch, soft, simple, and so aesthetic. There are a lot of beautiful stickers here at the back of the planner. This isn't just a planner, it's a promise to organize my days, honor my goals, and cherish my dreams. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.